How's everybody doing? We're out here with Divie and the puppies. Come here! Lily scared him off. Divie's popping back real nice. Feeling out good again. Everything's drying up good. Ears are cut. They are ready to go. So if you're one of the people that's getting one of them, they're ready. And I still have 3 females and 1 male for sure, possibly 2. I decided also, I changed my mind on who I'm keeping. I'm keeping this girl right here. The other one I was going to keep, I really like her. She's pretty much a clone of Divie. And makes it hard because there's really no wrong choices. They're all awesome looking. But I was going with the littlest one, well, one of the littlest 2 females of the bunch. But instead I decided to go with the biggest one. So, main reason being, like I said, the one I was wanting to keep is pretty much a clone of Divie. And also, the littlest one of the bunch that looked almost identical to the one I was going to keep, I sold to some really good friends of mine. So I figured we'd have one from each end of the spectrum. I'd keep the biggest one, they'd keep the smallest one. We'll see how they turn out. They're happy there. Little Divie just bouncing around. What's up, Spade? I'm gonna stand out in the sun until I start videoing you, huh? There's Cal, that's what I'm keeping. She's a big girl. Oh, wrestling with Mama over there. She's been such an awesome mom to the pups. Look how good she's looking. I'm telling you. She got plumb little there while she was nursing them. She looks better than she ever has now almost. Her muscle tone ain't quite what it was before, but she's filled out really nice. She'll just get better from here. She'll be 2 years old toward the end of November. Well, y'all have a good one. I just wanted to kind of show you a little update video on the pups and show you some of them playing out here around the yard. We got one going crazy back here. We got them everywhere. Get up with me if you're interested. They're $1,500 plus $100 for the ear crop, which the ear crop is done, so they're $1,600. Fire cover shipping if you need it shipped. And they're ABKC registered. I got the litter registrations in the house. And they'll be good to go. Thank you.